I want to show you how to create a SQL script from Excel. For example, I have this Excel file which contains like list of states, and it has two sheets for US and Canada. And I want to create SQL script from this. So I've downloaded the tool from this website. I will leave a link in the description. Just click on download, and yep, then when it will be downloaded, just double click on it. So here I have to click run anyway, click next, install, and so you see that it added to my desktop. I double click on desktop, close current file, and I can close this. Now I can select my Excel file, this one, US and Canada. Click on next. Here I specify that first row in Excel file will be used for column names, and here I specify database. For example, I need Microsoft. I can preview SQL, so it will create two tables, US states, and insert data into US states, and it will use state names that code regions of region. And then it will create another for Canada CA states, another table, and insert all Canada states in there. And I can save it into my SQL, specify like whatever name of the script I want, just hit save. Then I can open my document. I can see edit with Notepad, and I can see that it creates a text file with all create table and insert instruction. And basically, if I send it to SQL administrator, it will run it, or run it into database, it will create two tables with all data from Excel. That's it. Thank you.